Okay.
Totally.
Beauty, hair, and fashion, that's my guilty pleasure. I'm Ty. Welcome to my channel. Here is where I test it out so you don't have to. If you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. FENTY hair products. I finally got my hands on Rihanna's game-changing line for our hair. And I got all the tea. First up, let's get into this FENTY hair cleanser. This isn't just any shampoo, y'all. It's a luxury sulfate-free formula designed to cleanse your hair without stripping away the moisture. And for me, that's exactly what it did. Typically, when I experience products that say it's for all hair types, my hair tends to tangle and get matted, but not with this one. It's infused with nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, aloe vera, and it really did hold up to its promise to keep my hair feeling silky smooth. My hair didn't really lather very much because it was really, y'all, it's really just that dirty. My strands did feel a little bit more hydrated. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not about to gas this all the way up from one wash, but I did feel a difference compared to other shampoos because afterwards, I don't know if you can see, there was a bit of shine. I didn't have anything in my hair at this point. Next up, we have the FENTY hair conditioner. This is a rich, creamy formula. It detangles, hydrates, and strengthens your locks. And first out the gate, baby, it smells really good. Give me that. This smells so good. And the moment that I started to put it in my hair, normally I feel like, you know, they say a dime size. I have to do a palm size for my specific hair texture. But this actually did go a long way. I didn't have to overuse the actual products. And with the vitamins and essential oils, it's perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of hydration and shine to their hair. Let's move into this FENTY Hair Instant Damage Repair Treatment. It's supposed to repair, reduce breakage, and condition for a smoother, shiny, healthier looking style. Now, when I used this, I don't think I used it right. For one, I didn't realize that there were instructions until after. Even when I did look at the instructions, baby, I didn't know. So Riri, can we get some captions? But what I originally did was I ended up washing it out in this particular video. So you can't really see the results that you probably would get if I would have left it in. And finally, we have the FENTY Hair 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. Now, I did put this in my hair to complete the whole process, but I didn't put it up against any heat. So I honestly can't even give you a thorough review on this. I'll be creating another video using this product to see how it actually is. Overall, I really enjoyed this product. I loved how my hair smelled great for days. This was the final result. So I know for a fact that when I grab that FENTY hair styling cream, it's over. It's over. The wash and go is now elite. So there you have it. The FENTY hairline is definitely making waves in the beauty world, and for a good reason. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll leave the links in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment with any questions or thoughts that you have about these products. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.